Hello students, this is exercise number 26 of the Progressive Monthly Magazine April 2022 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. The appellant's private medical colleges filed writ petitions in the High Court of Madhya Pradesh bench at Indore challenging the constitutional validity of Sub-Rule 8A of Rule 12 of the Admission Rules 2018. Aggrieved by the dismissal of the writ petitions, the appellants are before this court. The Madhya Pradesh Niji Vyavsaik Adhiniyam 2007 was promulgated to provide for regulation of admission, fixation of fee, and for reservation of seats to persons belonging to scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and other backward classes in private unaided professional educational institutions and matters connected therewith. Admission to private unaided professional educational institutions is dealt with in Chapter 3 of the Act. Every admission to a private unaided professional educational institution shall be made only in accordance with the provisions of the Act or rules made thereunder. The state government constituted the Admission and Fee Regulatory Committee for supervision and management of the admission process and for fixing the fee to be charged from the candidates seeking admission in these institutions. Rules were framed by the state government in exercise of the powers conferred under Section 12 of the Act. Rule 10 prescribes the process of admission to be on the basis of allotment of students who participated in the first round of counseling. The procedure for admission in second round of counseling is dealt with in Rule 11 and that of in last round is found in Rule 12. The allotment of admission after completion of final round of counseling is governed by Rule 13. Amendments to the rules were notified on 19/6/2019. The relevant amendment which is subject matter of challenge in these appeals is Rule 12(8)(a), which reads as follows: the vacant seats as a result of allotted candidates from mop-up round not taking admission or candidates resigning from admitted seat shall not be included in the college level counseling being conducted after mop-up round. Writ petitions filed by Index Medical College, Hospital and Research Center and Arushi Mahant and others challenging Rule 12(8)(a) as being violative of Articles 14 and 19(1)(g) were dismissed by a division bench of the High Court of Madhya Pradesh at Indore by a judgment dated 15/12/2020. Index Medical College, Hospital and Research Center and others have filed the appeal arising out it. Allen Medical College, Hospital and Research Center has also challenged the said judgment of the High Court by seeking permission to file SLP. People's College of Medical Sciences and Research Center filed a writ petition questioning the wires of Rule 12(8)(a) as well. It was disposed of by the High Court of Madhya Pradesh, giving liberty to the petitioner therein to file an appropriate representation before the Directorate of Medical Education for redressal of its grievances. People's College of Medical Sciences and Research Center and another are questioning the order dated 13/1/2021 in one of the appeals, as the point that arises in all these appeals pertains to the validity of Rule 12.8a. They were heard together. We have heard Mr. Neeraj Kishan Kaul and others learned counsels for the appellants, Mr. Saurabh Mishra, learned additional Advocate General for the state of Madhya Pradesh. It was contended on behalf of the appellants that Rule 12.8a is an affront to their right of occupation, which is protected under Article 19(1)(g) of the Constitution of India, proscribing medical institutions from filling up seats which fall vacant due to the candidates in the mop-up round not taking admission or candidates submitting resignation after taking admission amounts to an unreasonable restriction. It was asserted on behalf of the appellants that admissions made by them are on the basis of allotment of students from common counseling pool. After two rounds of counseling, unfilled seats are taken up in mop-up round. Such of those seats which are not filled up in mop-up round are filled through college level counseling as provided in Rule 13. It was further argued that the pronounced object with which Rule 12.8a has been introduced is to avoid manipulations in admission process and to prevent non-meritorious students from getting seats in better colleges. As the measures adopted have no nexus with the object, according to the appellants, Rule 12.8a is violative of Article 14 of the Constitution of India. It was submitted on behalf of the appellants that Rule 12.8a results in some seats going vacant, which is not only a national waste of resources but also a huge financial burden to educational institutions. On the other hand, the state of Madhya Pradesh defended the judgment of the High Court. The state contended that it has become necessary to make amendment to Rule 12 and insert Sub-Rule 8, as it was found that students with lesser merit were getting admission to better colleges in stray vacancies which arose due to non-joining.